We were married for several years, and he adopted my son from my first marriage, which meant my first husband relinquished all rights. And he doesn't want to take care of the child anymore, now that we're divorced.
Okay, sir, is there a reason you don't want to take care of your son?
Well, he's not my son.
Well, yes, he is. You adopted him.
I thought I was in love with her. I just wanted to please her.
So you didn't really love the child at all, your son? Because
Well,
he is your son, just so we're clear. You're not going to be able to say things like, it's not my child. You adopted this child legally. This is your child.
Well, he's not blood. He's her son. He's just...
Before we step into today's explosive courtroom battle, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who loves real courtroom drama. Every case we cover exposes raw emotion, shocking twists, and powerful legal moments you won't believe are real. This story is one of those cases. Adoption, divorce, responsibility, and a father trying to walk away. You don't want to miss a second. Hit subscribe right now and turn on notifications so you never miss these intense courtroom breakdowns. Now, let's step inside the courtroom where this emotional showdown begins.
He's not my blood son. He's a redhead.
What does
I
that have
would
to do
never
with
have a
anything,
redhead
the
kid.
color
I
of
hate
his hair?
redhead kids.
What does the color of his hair have to do with
I
anything?
just always hated redheaded kids.
Okay. How did the two of you meet?
Well, I had been divorced several years, and I'm a farmer. And so
Yes,
my
he's a
friends-
farmer.
Ma'am, I will give you your opportunity to speak in just a moment, okay? Go ahead, sir.
So my friends took me out to a club. I call them mammary clinics. Took me
Okay.
out to a mammary clinic for my birthday. And that's where I met her. And she strapped it to me. And I fell in love with her that night. And
You fell in love enough to adopt?
The case opens with a mother standing firm. She explains they were married for years. During that marriage, her husband legally adopted her son from a previous relationship. The biological father terminated all rights. The adoption was official, permanent, legal. But now, after divorce, the man claims the child is not his. He argues there is no blood connection. The judge immediately shuts that down. Adoption is not temporary love. It is legal fatherhood. The courtroom atmosphere shifts. This isn't about feelings anymore. It's about responsibility. And the judge makes one thing clear. Legally, that boy is his son.
Her son?
to marry her, because I thought I was in love with her.
Okay.
And so we got married, and she coaxed me into adopting her kid.
Okay, you
The
adopted
redheaded
the
one.
child.
Yeah.
And you're here today because she wants you to
Pay child support.
pay
for
child
that
support
kid.
and take care of your child.
He's more of a ballerina than he is a boy.
What do you mean by a ballerina?
I don't want that kid. He's
Sir, you adopted this child.
well. Let his own father adopt him back.
Wait a minute. His father terminated his rights and you adopted this child.
Well, she can talk.
I'm
somebody
not
else
about to play this game with you, sir. Mr. Cassidy, we're not doing that today, okay? This is your child. You legally adopted the child. And you can be legally responsible for paying child support as well.
What?
The father tries to justify himself. He says he adopted the child because he thought he was in love. He claims he was pressured. He even criticizes the child, calling him more of a ballerina than a boy. The judge doesn't tolerate it. She reminds him the biological father gave up rights permanently. There is no reverse button. You can't return a child like merchandise. Adoption means lifetime responsibility. His frustration grows, but the judge remains steady. The law doesn't care about regret. The only question now is financial accountability, and the numbers are about to hit hard.
Well, his first dad gave up his rights. How come I can't give up my rights?
Well, you know what? We're not doing that today. Today, you're going to take care of this child, okay?
Okay, what?
And you're not going to give him up because he's a redhead. No.
He don't fish.
Sir, Mr. Cassidy, how much money do you make a year?
Approximately 83.
83,000. And ma'am, now I'm to you. What does this mean, farmer?
I'd rather not go into detail.
Okay. $83,000 a year. And sir, you said, how many other children do you have?
I have two.
Two, okay. So you have 3 kids
They're not
total.
redheaded either.
Sir, the color of their hair should not affect whether or not you decide to be a father to those children versus your adopted son.
Then comes the most shocking excuse. The father says the boy isn't his because he's a redhead. The courtroom goes silent. The judge fires back. Hair color does not determine fatherhood. The mother reveals she even dyed the child's hair to make him feel accepted. That moment exposes the emotional damage behind this case, an innocent child caught in adult bitterness. The judge calls the argument ridiculous. This is no longer just legal drama. It's about dignity. And the court will not allow a child to suffer because a grown man changed his mind.
You understand?
I understand.
Oh, okay. Well, as long as you understand. I
Judge?
have your gross. Yes, ma'am.
So I've dyed the little boy's hair now, so
What color is his hair now, ma'am?
his hair is the same color of his now.
And you all are aware that the color of this child's hair doesn't matter in terms of the financial responsibility, right?
I understand that, but he doesn't, so I'm just trying to make it to where he
I don't want to
likes
buy
his
his
son.
tutus for
You
the
know
rest
what?
of
It
his
is
life.
ridiculous. She even had to dye the child's hair to even make you receive any type of comfort, sir. That's ridiculous. Now, at $83,000 a year, I have your gross at $6,916.67.
Wow.
Who carries health insurance for this child?
I do.
How much is it for the child only?
$230 a month.
$230, okay.
Now the financial breakdown begins. The father earns $83,000 a year. He has 2 other children. The judge calculates carefully. After deductions and credits, his child support obligation stands at $808.72 per month. Add $230 for health insurance reimbursement. Total monthly responsibility. Why is he $38.72? He reacts dramatically, even suggesting he might need an ambulance. The judge doesn't flinch. Overhead costs, farm expenses, none of that removes parental duty. You earn the money. You support your child. Simple.
Okay, sir, you're going to reimburse that to her monthly? Yes, you are. And your net comes out to $5,482.88.
Oh my. Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
What? Do we need to call an ambulance? You okay? Oh, okay.
Yeah, maybe an ambulance might help me.
Okay, well, right now I'm getting ready to help you with these numbers, okay?
Or a
Giving you
12
credit for
gauge.
the other children that you have. Your child support obligation is $808.72 plus the health insurance reimbursement of $230 a month. That makes your monthly obligation $1,038.72.
Okay, that's gonna run
Okay,
me
and you can
$4.
afford it. It's 83. You make $83,000, sir.
The mother asks about back pay for the previous year. It's a fair question. But because it wasn't requested properly in the initial filing, the judge cannot award it today. Procedure matters. Paperwork matters. Then comes an unexpected twist. The mother suggests remarriage as a solution. The courtroom mood softens briefly, almost humorous. The judge reminds them this is not a reconciliation court. This is about legal responsibility, not romance. The order stands. Monthly payments are mandatory. The gavel metaphorically falls. A child's future has been legally protected.
Well, there's a lot of overhead for farming.
Well, you know what?
Well-
Dye your hair red.
Well, that's not gonna help me pay my bills. That's
It
not gonna help me
might.
feed my cattle.
Well, you know what? You might want to choose some different alternatives.
Well, you gotta eat. That's where do you think your food comes from?
You grow my food?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And I pay for it from you, right?
Well, yeah.
Okay. Well, guess what? You're going to continue to grow your food, and you're going to take care of this child, who's now the hair is dyed because you had a problem with the color of the child's hair. Ridiculous. Is there anything further here?
Yes, the last year that he hasn't paid, can he pay the back pay as well?
You know what? That is a great question. Are you asking for back pay today, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, unfortunately, you did not put that in your paperwork that you filed with the court requesting.
What makes this case powerful isn't just the money. It's the principle. A man tried to redefine fatherhood after divorce. He reduced it to biology and appearance. But the court defined it as commitment and law. Adoption is not temporary affection. It is binding. The judge protected a child from abandonment disguised as regret. This story is a reminder. Choices made in love still carry weight after love fades. Courtrooms don't run on emotion. They run on accountability. And in this case, accountability won.
That. So unfortunately, if you did not ask previously, I can't award it to you.
Okay.
So monthly obligation, listen,
Judge, there's another
you don't
option.
need all of that.
If he wants to come back and remarry me, we can do that. Then he won't
No.
have to worry about child support.
Well, I mean,
I'm-
that's
I have-
that's an option.
I'm going back to my ex-wife.
That's an option.
I've got my other wife and kids. They're coming back. We're back
Just
together.
thought as long as he
Oh,
was
okay.
going back and forth, you know.
Oh, well, I'm glad to see you.
No going back.
Well, I'm glad to see that you moved on, and I'm glad to see that you're open to that possibility. But unfortunately, this is not reunification court.
Maybe she
This is
should go
child
back to
support
the
court.
memory clinic and go to
So,
work.
well, guess what? If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
If this case shocked you, imagine the countless similar battles happening quietly every day. Family court is where promises meet consequences. If you enjoyed this documentary breakdown, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video so more people can see these powerful legal stories. Comment your thoughts below. Was the judge right? Should adoption ever be reversible? And if you're interested in brand sponsorship or collaborations, you can contact me directly at arhabshahadi@mail.com. I'll see you in the next courtroom story. Until then, stay informed and stay sharp.